drive along an ocean reflecting the sun, or make a bed of green atop a wide open scene. Under a canvas of blue I would draw ever nearer to you, to feel the dew on your skin. That is how it would begin. For summer is for falling in love. We could stay out late until the sun sets past 8, and the cotton candy haze mirrors the warmth of your gaze. Raise your glass to mine, and as we drink we would lock eyes, so we could disregard the thought of ever having to part. For summer is for falling in love. Lightness of being we both know to be fleeting, like the last breath of a sunset right before the day is dead. But maybe the heat of today could keep even winter away. So I'll remember your laugh, 'cause nothing ever changes the fact that summer is for falling in love. Da 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 da. Summer is for falling in love. We'll be here for summer, then we're gone. We'll be here for sunrise, then we'll fly. How much time do you reckon we have left to say the word sunset? And how many days would you say that you had spent living out your regrets? We'll be here for a rainfall and then we're gone. We'll be here for a clear blue sky and then